Hi everyone, welcome to BSB 131 Applied Business Analytics. I'm Will, and this is going to be the first of a series of videos where I'll be taking you guys through how to apply some of the content that you'll be learning in your lectures using Excel and the Excel add-in that we will be using, which is Real Statistics. And in this first video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up that Excel add-in, Real Statistics. So let's get started. So let's go over to Google and just type in Real Statistics Excel add-in. This free download link here, just going to press that. Then it's this Real Statistics resource pack. Okay, so from here you'll be presented with one of three options. So if you have Windows and a more recent version of Windows, which is just 2010 and after, it's this link. If you have a much older version of Excel, so 2007 and prior, it's one of these two links. And if you have a MacBook, then it's this third link here. So I have a more recent version of Excel and I have Windows, so it's this one. And I encourage you guys to just have a little quick read of that license agreement. I'm sure it'll be fun. So have a click of that. And let's go show in folder. So the reason that we want to see where it's ended up is that it's probably not the best place to keep it in your downloads. Because if we've got it set up in Excel and you clear your downloads, Excel's no longer going to be able to access the add-in. So let's move it to a location where it's not going to be deleted. So for me, that's just over in my documents. And cool, here it is at the bottom. So let's just go back over to Excel. We're just going to go File, all the way down at the bottom to Options, Add-ins, which is like second from the bottom, Google, or Go rather, just press that one. And then we're just going to browse for where it is. So for me it's in Documents, X Real Stats, and here it is, selected there. Just going to hit OK. It shouldn't take too long for it to get set up. Just got to download and install it. So here it is. It's now appeared in our menu. It's in Add-ins. So add-ins, Real Statistics, Data Analysis Tools. So here it is. It's all set up for us. So I'll be joining you guys in the next video where I'll be showing you some of the functionality of Real Statistics. So I'll see you guys then.